friends. We've been outside working all day, and we're going to do a really quick project here. Tell us what we got.
So we got a piece of plastic lumber, and we're going to be making it into a planter stand that's going to sit flush with the windowsill. So this is going to be great for a planter stand because it is waterproof, and there's a lot of water with plants. So.
All right, cool. Let's knock it out.
Alright, so now we got everything cut. We got our 3 legs, and we're going to space them out evenly. We can do one at the beginning and the end and one in the dead center. So we're going to measure our total length and divide it by 2, and that's where we're going to put the center of our middle leg, and then the ends will be easy. Just line it up flush with the edges. Alright, so overall length of this top's 38 and 1/8. So we divide that by 2, and that gives us 19 and 1/16. So I'm going to mark it down here, and then I'm going to mark it again up here, and then we're going to connect those lines with a speed square. So I got my center line, and I'm also going to measure 3/4 on each side, so that'll give me some guidelines of where to put this center leg.
Stand on the part where there's no leg. Wobble around on it. Yeah, it's good to go.
Yeah.
Let's go hold some plants.
So now that it's finished, we're going to go put it in the windowsill and fill it up with some plants and see how it looks.